They say the sea speaks if you listen. 1971. Navy signalman Charles Avery kept watch. One stormy night, the radio whispered in Morse, "Help." Then, coordinates half a mile offshore, from beneath the sea. Records showed a destroyer sank there, 40 years earlier. At dawn, Avery wrote, "Signal stopped, message received," then vanished. Locals say the radio still taps one word during storms: home. If you believe the ocean remembers, like, share, and subscribe. Deepwater Tales.